Everyone, welcome to my cyberspace. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get started with R, and this is going to be beginner friendly. Let's get right into it. So first is that what is R? Before we try to install R. So R is a programming language. It's primarily a statistical software, and what are like some of the alternatives that you probably might be familiar with. So there's like Stata, there's SPSS, there's Python. So in case you have heard all of those tools or you've used all of those tools, and if even though you haven't, so that's fine. So that's what R is. R is majorly like used by data scientists, data analysts to be able to try to do some statistical analysis, to also do visualization. You could do some visualization, you might not be able to, like, you can do also like dashboards, but not that easily. You could also build apps. There are so many things you could do using R. So it's a very great tool. It also has a great online community, and in case you want to learn R, I think I would recommend you do, because it's a very great tools that data analysts use. When you look at the statistics, R is still one of the top 5 tools that data analysts are using, and I don't think it's going to get obsolete anytime soon. And because there's so many great community out there for R, so it makes it easier to be able to ask your questions online. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about why you should not learn R, and stay tuned for that. In case this video was a value for time, do well to like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you. Ciao.